Hello guys, today in this video, we're going to help you to find out the best AirTag alternatives in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Tile Pro 2022 1-Pack. Powerful Bluetooth tracker, keys finder and item locator for keys, bags, and more. Up to 400 feet range. Water resistant. Phone finder. iOS and Android compatible. Black. When looking for AirTag alternatives, Tile Pro is a fantastic option for anyone using an Android or iPhone. One of the pioneers in the tracker market is Tile, and one of their top products is the Tile Pro. You can quickly track your item with the Tile app if you have a Tile Pro attached to your keys, bag, or other items. In case you need a sound when the item it is attached to gets lost, the device has a very loud speaker. Similar to AirTag and other AirTag replacements, Tile Pro uses Bluetooth to locate objects in close proximity. However, it relies on the Tile community for things beyond the Bluetooth range of 400 feet. To use all features, you may need to subscribe to Tile Premium. Number 4. Tile Slim 1-Pack. Thin Bluetooth tracker, wallet finder and item locator for wallet, luggage tags, and more. Up to 250 feet. Range. Water resistant. Phone finder. iOS and Android compatible. The Tile Slim, another Bluetooth tracker from the Tile product line, is a card-shaped tracker that can be kept in wallets, pockets, backpacks, and other similar items. It's available in a variety of colors, so you can choose the one that best suits your style. It interacts with the Tile app to track your item over a range of 250 feet. The Tile Slim's battery lasts 3 years, which is a reasonable amount of time. However, it cannot be replaced or recharged. Like the Tile Pro, the device has a speaker and is water resistant. It also has a voice assistant feature that allows you to ring the tracker or ask for its location. Anyone who needs to keep track of their belongings should consider Tile Slim, as it is relatively affordable. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy SmartTag Bluetooth Smart Home Accessory Tracker. Attachment locator for lost keys, bag, wallet, luggage, pets, glasses. 2021, US version black. The Samsung Galaxy SmartTag, which uses Bluetooth 5.0 low energy, is an alternative tracking device to the Apple AirTag. The Samsung Galaxy SmartTag has a keyhole that you can attach to any object you want to track, like keys, backpacks, purses, and more, with the SmartThing app, although it can only be used with Samsung Galaxy phones. In addition, it has an option that lets you ring items, as long as they are within 360 feet of Bluetooth. The tracker uses nearby Samsung Galaxy devices to track your possessions when they are out of Bluetooth range. You can use this device not only to locate objects but also to control smart home devices. The Samsung Galaxy SmartTag is a good AirTag alternative because of its close ties to Samsung's SmartThings ecosystem. Number 2. Chipolo OneSpot 2021 Key Finder, Bluetooth tracker for keys, bag. Works with the Apple Find My app, only for iOS. Almost black. Chipolo One is another great tool for keeping track of your possessions, including keys, bags, and pretty much everything. You can use this Bluetooth tracker with more than one OS, as it works with Android and iOS. Its sleek design and feather lightweight make it easy to carry around. One of the nice features of this gadget is that it notifies you via a ping in the Chipolo app when the tracker goes out of range, so you don't lose track of your stuff. Chipolo One has a range of 200 feet and an extremely loud sound. Once the tracker is out of range, it uses the Chipolo community to help find it. Chipolo One is quite affordable, has a spare battery for 2 years, and is water resistant. But mind you, the Chipolo community isn't comparable to Apple, Samsung, or even Tile, so its utility is a bit restricted once the 200 feet range is breached. Number 1. Tile Sticker 1-Pack. Small Bluetooth tracker, remote finder and item locator, pets, and more. Up to 250 feet. Range. Water resistant. Phone finder. iOS and Android compatible black. Unlike the Apple AirTag, which can be attached to objects using mounts or simply putting it inside your stuff, the Tile Sticker, as the name suggests, sticks to your items with its self-adhesive backing. This is especially true for items that cannot be attached in any other way, such as bicycles, skateboards, remote controls, headphones, glasses, and the like. Tile Sticker has a range of 250 feet and, like most other AirTag alternatives in this list, is waterproof and has a voice assistant option. In addition, Tile sticker can be used with both Android and iOS devices.